Thank you very much for coming here. I do hope you find something useful that can help you on your journey through the internet.
Today I should be doing a short video on getting started with your digital marketing strategy part 4. Know your client. But the very first step in constructing your business should be about developing revenue designs, developing your brand name, identification, developing digital existence, and having concrete objectives. A fantastic suggestion is just the beginning of an organization's success. Profitable businesses go beyond recognizing their service or product to completely figure out and also involve with their target market of customers. In order to succeed, you need to do some market research, recognizing your target audiences, actually learn more about your customers, and also obtain responses to continual growth. Again, prior to you beginning offering, you must have a thorough understanding of the marketplace conditions, as well as that will get your items. This is where marketing research comes in. Excellent marketing research responds to the following questions. Are individuals ready to get what I'm offering? What will my rivals be? What issues still need to be resolved that I can supply solutions to? How much are individuals going to pay for a solution? Does my remedy target a basic, specialized, or extremely narrow niche? Are clients served locally or online? What assumptions exist about comparable options on the marketplace currently? These concerns serve as a beginning point. When we go over target competitors, you will certainly be using your market research as a jumping off place and also attend to additional concerns later. Much more sophisticated types of market research exist, and prices can be very high. You can employ a study firm to gather data, deal with firms that focus on data mining, or do the research study yourself. Discover the various methods and make decisions that benefit you. You'll definitely need to find out where your ideal client hangs out online. The site that they regularly will be providing you a suggestion of the content as well as items they favor. Attempt to suss out what imaginary as well as advertising and marketing your suitable clients respond to. Messaging as well as advertising and market materials will significantly transform if you're talking with a university student as opposed to a 40-year-old executive. Marketing research should answer these inquiries and also give a general introduction of current fads. Whether you acquire research or do it on your own, essential point is that you do it before you start your service. It can be costly to get going, and after that find there's no market wherefore your offer. There are, however, several cases where firms have pivoted upon additional research study as well as come into excellent success. By this point, your market research has discovered if individuals want what you use, and also offer you insight regarding that those people may be. Now, it's time to dig much deeper and actually find out about your target client. These are some points that you must be looking to learn about your customers that can help you make better marketing decisions down the road. Age, sex, social groups, approximate earnings, and general interests. Once you have an idea of those items, you can begin developing buyer identities. By developing fictional identifications for several of your most typical consumer types, you will be able to develop a roadmap for your advertising and marketing plan. Make 3 or 4 various client accounts and also keep them in front of your mind when creating every one of your messaging moving forward. This will ensure that you're doing your ideal to talk with the suitable target market for your brand in all of your electronic and also conventional marketing initiatives. If you want finding out more regarding creating identities, check out online through Google or other search engines. Do not fret about omitting potential customers. Crafting advertising for an excellent customer does not indicate you won't market to anybody else. Don't stop at the sale. Part of the client experience must include an invitation for information regarding the top quality of the service provided. That is service or product, and I said provided, but I suppose it works both ways. So don't quit at the sale. Part of the customer's experience should consist of an invite for information concerning the quality of the product or service. As a well-worded survey will address your service goals while just taking a reading of your customer's time. You can integrate studies with plugins for your website, or you can send follow-up emails with surveys on acquisitions or after a newsletter sign-up. Keep your inquiry short, flexible, to take full advantage of the involvement and get one of the most actions. This response becomes part of your research. You'll rapidly understand why clients select you, what your strengths are, along with where you require to boost. This is a continual procedure that never quits. Some businesses hand out services and products in their earlier stages to learn as rapidly as possible what's working and also what isn't for their clients. Feedback needs to direct your products or services offerings in addition to your interior organization processes. Well, I hope that this gave you something to pick up on. If you enjoy my videos, besides the little bits of babbling, etc., my fiddling and scratching and mucking about, then please press the like button, and also there's a bell up the top of the screen. No, screen. Just press on there, press all, and that will let you know when my next video is up on YouTube. Thank you very much for being here and staying with me. I do hope your marketing travels succeed, and it's all the best from Ian Jackson. Hope you do come back soon. Cheerio.
I do hope you found something that helped you. There is a link in front of you, which is my website. If you would like to go there, then that can lead you further up the ladder of success.